With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, today we have a question. The question is, let PQ be a focal chord of the parabola y square equal to 4ax if the center of a circle having PQ as its diameter lies on the line root 5y plus 4 equal to 0. Here, PQ is focal chord of our parabola, and now PQ is also diameter of the circle which lies on the line root 5y plus 4 equal to 0. Then we have to find the length of the chord PQ. Let us see how to do this here. Here let us assume our quadratic plane and a parabola. Here this is our quadratic plane and this is our parabola. Yes, that means here what is our chord PQ? Yes, this is our point P and this is our parabola, and for this parabola 0, 0 is this point and this is our line. Yes, PQ is our line. Let us take a point P here and Q here, and what is our focal chord? Let PQ is our focal chord. That means this is our focal chord. Let us join all these points here, P and Q. Yes, this is our focal chord. Now what are we supposed to do here? In our question, what are we given that? Our parabola is y square equal to 4x. Yes, y square equal to 4x is our parabola. And now in this equation, what do we have? What do we get it? Let us compare it with our general equation y square equal to 4ax. What do we get if we compare it with 4ax? We get a value equal to 1. Yes, that means what is it here? We get this point to be 2, 0. Yes or no? Yes, because it is 2a, 0. Therefore, this point is 2, 0. And what else do we have in our question? Now, this is focal chord and we have a circle. What is this thing about the circle? This circle has PQ as its diameter, lies on the line root 5y plus 4. Yes, that means for a parabola, what is the general form of equation? A t1 square, 2a t1. Yes or no? That means our this form is t1 square, 2 t1. P is 2 t1. And what is this Q? Q is t2 square, 2 t2. Now these are the points of P and Q. Now let us assume a circle here. Yes, this is our circle. What is this? We have a circle. For that circle, we have the circle diameter lying on root 5 plus 4. That means that circle is passing through center. Yes or no? Yes, therefore, now this is our circle. Here, this is our circle as shown in the figure. Now what are we supposed to find? We have to find the length of the chord PQ. That means we have to find the diameter of this circle. Yes. Now let us see how to do this. Now for this circle, what is coordinate of the center? Coordinate of the center. Coordinate of center of this circle is nothing but here T1, this is diameter. That means the midpoint of this is in the diameter is the center. Yes, therefore what do we get here? We have T1 square plus T2 square divided by 2 midpoint. Right? PQ midpoint is our center. 2T1 plus 2T2 divided by 2. Now this is our coordinate of the center. That means what do we get here? This is T1 square plus T2 square divided by 2. And this 2 is common for the both. That means here we get y coordinate as T1 plus T2. Now this is our coordinate of center. What are we given that? We are given that if the center of the circle lies on center of the circle satisfies the equation root 5y plus 4. That means if we substitute root 5y plus 4 equal to 0. If we substitute this, what is our y? Y is t1 plus t2. That means what do we get here? We get root 5y in y place we have to substitute t1 plus t2. That means we get here root 5 into t1 plus t2 plus 4 is equal to 0. Yes, what does that imply? That implies t1 plus t2 is equal to minus 4 by root 5. Yes, this is our t1 plus t2 we get here. Let us assume this equation to be first equation. Yes, if this is our first equation, what do we get in here? Let us solve for the focal chord. What is the focal chord property we have? The length of the focal chord, which is nothing but focal chord implies focal chord. That means if it is a focal chord implies that T1, T2 is equal to minus 1. Yes or no? Yes. If we substitute this, what do we get here? And also we have x coordinate of the center is t1 square plus t2 square by 2. If we take t1 plus t2 whole square, what do we get here? T1 plus T2 whole square is T1 square plus T2 square, yes, plus 2T1 T2. Let us keep this aside for a moment. And what is the length of PQ? PQ is equal to square root of, here P and Q, right? Let us take right here what is P? P is T1 square comma 2T1, and what is Q? Q is T2 square comma 2T2. Yes, that means this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. What is length? T2 square minus T1 square whole square plus 2T2 minus 2T1 whole square. This is length of PQ. Yes, that means what do we get here? If we take this value, we get here, this is equal to square root of, here 2 and 2 common, that means T1 plus T2 whole square into, we can write it as T1 minus T2 whole square, because T2 minus T1 is this one, plus what is it? It is 4. 2 square is 4 into T2 minus T1. Yes, square root. That means if we take here, this is square. If we take T2 minus T1 whole square as common in square root, what do we get here? We get T1 plus T2 whole square plus 4. Yes, this is our value. Here, what do we get here? We get it as, if we take this as common outside, we get it as T1 plus T2 whole square. This is T1 plus T2 whole square plus 4 into, what can we write this T2 minus T1 whole square as? We can write it as T1 plus T2 whole square plus 4. Yes, this whole thing is under square. That means in here, what else do we know our answer? Here T1 plus T2 is minus 4 by root 5. That means this is equal to, what do we get here? We get square root of minus 4 by root 5 whole square minus, what is this? This is minus 4 T1 T2, yes or no? Yes, therefore we get it as minus 4 T1 T2. This is T1 square minus 4 T1 T2. Therefore in here what do we get it as? Minus 4 square into 4 into minus 2. Yes, 4 into minus 2 into, what is T1 plus T2 we have? T1 plus T2 is minus 4 by root 5 whole square plus 4. Now let us do this product and simplify our terms. We get it as 4 in minus 4 into minus 4 is nothing but 16. 16 by 5 plus 4 into, what is it? It is 16 by 5. What is it? This is 4 into is 8. Yes or no? This is 8. That means here plus 8. This whole thing is under square root. That means what do we get here? 20. 20 plus 6, 36 by 5 into, what is it? 40 plus 6 is 40 plus 16. Yes or no? 56 by 5. Whole in square root. That means here denominator is common. That means what do we get here? This we can write it as 6 square by 5 square into, what is 56? 6 into 9. Now 56, what can we write it as? Here what is the T1 into T2 value is minus 1. Therefore this is our values. Here this is 36 into 36 into 6 square. Yes, that means what do we get it as? It as square root of 6 power 4 by 5 square. If we do this, we get it as 36 by 5. Yes, if we remove square root, this is 36 by 5. Now what is our question? Our question is integer type question. If we simplify this, what do we get? 7.2 is our answer. Yes, 7.2 or 36 by 5 is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.